So you can see that I've mixed quite a few greens here, and there are many more combinations that you can make with and varying the concentration of the paint to water ratio. But I've got some greens here that I can probably use in this mix for this leaf, which is a combination of, again, the same three colours in Dancerin, transparent yellow and permanent carmine, and it's the one where it's in a higher concentration with slightly more red in the mix, which gives me somewhere between these area down here for this particular leaf. But you can also see there's a range of greens there, from quite bright greens, pale greens, to the dark greens. But I can also swap those colours around a bit to make the browns that I might need, because there's actually quite a lot of browns in this leaf as well. With reddy veins, you can see them, and a reddish brown stem, leaf stalk. So again, just using three colours, swap the combination round. So you've got red and yellow as the two main colours with a small amount of blue. So again, let's take equal parts of red and yellow. Let's mix them together first. So that's two primaries to make a secondary, again, which gives us a sort of orange, red-orange colour, like so. I'm going to add a bit more to the mix there. A bit more of that, and then let's add a small amount of blue into that. And that's going to give me a more brown colour. And again, as we did with the greens, you can bias that mix to make it more yellow. More red. Make sure you can see that. Moving along. More red mix. And we can play around with the mix to make it nearer to a green. So it's a cooler brown. And again, multiple combinations. We can carry on playing around with that and make a number of different neutral and brown colours. And that will give me some of the colours there. Probably a more red version for this particular. And the less blue that's in it, the brighter it becomes. That would be something like the red that I'm looking for. Adding more yellow to it to make it more orange. And finally, the same three colours again. Swap them around again. So this time we're starting with the blue and the red and adding a small amount of yellow. Let's see what this is going to go with. So again, equal parts red and blue. It's going to give me this rich, very rich purple. And a small amount of yellow. I might add a touch more blue in that, I didn't add enough. Let's see what this creates. Just add a bit more so you can see it. And this will essentially make a black when you add yellow to the mix. And that's quite a blue bias black. It's a bit like Payne's grey. I'll add more red to it to give a warmer. More blue and green will give you more yellow and blue will give you a slightly greener. Which is, and again, you can keep playing around with that combination. And you can use it in varying with varying amounts of water to give a paler grey. And carry on with that, making many more mixes. So that's basically what we have there, is a variety across the range from green to brown to black, using just three colours.